Sunsama is a productivity tool that promises to bring your daily tasks and calendar into a single, easy-to-manage workspace. But before you dive in and make that purchase, here are 7 key things you absolutely need to know about Sunsama. Stick around because I'll be comparing it to other tools like Todoist, Asana, and ClickUp. And I'll give you the real scoop so you can decide if it's right for you. First off, Sunsama focuses heavily on daily planning. Unlike other task managers, it doesn't just dump a long list of things to do in front of you and expect you to figure it out. It encourages a daily routine where you map out your work and get your tasks from multiple sources: email, Google Calendar, Slack, whatever, into one place. This means you're not jumping between apps, trying to find your next task. And if you're used to apps like Todoist or Asana, you'll notice the simplicity here. Sunsama doesn't overcomplicate things with too many features. It's designed to keep you focused. Next thing you should know, Sunsama's integration is pretty strong, but with limitations. It works well with Google Calendar, Slack, and other common tools, but there's no native integration for things like Trello or more niche apps. This can be a deal breaker if you're in a heavily integrated work environment where you use multiple apps for different purposes. On the flip side, if you're someone who already uses Google Calendar or Slack to manage your tasks, Sunsama will feel like a seamless extension. The third thing to mention is its clean user interface. Sunsama is minimalist, which is exactly what you want if you're someone who feels overwhelmed by all the buttons and options in tools like ClickUp. You can drag and drop tasks between different areas of your day, which makes organizing your schedule fluid and intuitive. However, keep in mind that if you like super customizable, feature-heavy dashboards, you may find it a bit too simple, especially compared to the robust, multi-layered options in Asana or ClickUp. Now, let's talk about the task management system. Sunsama breaks your day down into manageable chunks, where you schedule tasks and dedicate time slots for them. It's designed to help you stay focused on one task at a time, which is perfect if you struggle with multitasking or need a more structured way of working. But if you're someone who likes to have every task laid out for the entire week ahead, Sunsama's daily view might feel restrictive. This is a tool meant for those who want to focus on the now, not for long-term project planning. The fifth thing worth mentioning, Sunsama's pricing. At first glance, it might seem like a bit of an investment, especially when compared to alternatives like Todoist or Trello, which have free versions. Sunsama doesn't come with a free plan, just a 14-day trial. If you're on the fence, this could be a downside, but if you're someone who values simplicity and productivity over endless features, the price might be worth it. Still, there's a free trial link in the description below that'll give you access to the software, so you can try it risk-free before committing. Moving on, Sunsama's focus is more on the individual than team collaboration. If you're part of a large team, or need heavy collaboration features like those found in ClickUp, you might feel limited here. While you can share your calendar with others, it's not the best solution for managing large-scale projects with complex team dynamics. Sunsama is all about personal productivity, and that's a key distinction. If you're a solo worker or a freelancer, this could be the perfect fit, but larger teams may need to look elsewhere. Lastly, let's talk about how Sunsama helps with focus and burnout prevention. One of the standout features is how it encourages you to set realistic daily goals. It's not about cramming your day with as many tasks as possible, it's about planning for sustainable productivity. This mindset can really help prevent burnout, which is something that's not as strongly emphasized in task management apps like Asana. It's the sort of app you'll find yourself using not just to be productive, but to take care of your mental and emotional well-being by balancing work with time for rest. If you're interested in trying out Sunsama, click the first link in the description to access the best free trial available and exclusive benefits you won't find anywhere else. Whether you're looking for a streamlined daily planner or a simple, clean interface to manage your tasks, Sunsama might just be the productivity boost you've been searching for.